Massage as a healing tool has been around for thousands of years in many cultures. Touching is just our natural reaction to pain and stress, and for conveying compassion and support. I want you to think back to the last time you bumped your head or experienced a sore muscle. What did you do? You probably rubbed it, right? Well, the same was true of our earliest ancestors. Healers throughout time and throughout the world have instinctively and independently developed a wide range of therapeutic techniques using touch, benefits ranging from treating chronic diseases and injury to alleviating the growing tensions of our modern lifestyles. Hello, joining us today is Lisa Ralston, who is a licensed massage therapist, yoga and global healing touch instructor, and you do a lot more than that. I just found out that you're a hydroponic gardener, and so tell us a little bit more about what you do and why you love it.
Thank you, Justin. I believe that the time is now. We are evolving and changing so quickly, and I know there are better ways for us to have success as human beings, to find more joy and love and our true essence. I'd love to see more vegetables being grown on the balconies of high-rises, more kids doing yoga in schools, more parents and teachers evolving, more people finding out who they truly are, getting in touch with their vibes. So I teach anatomy, energy, touch globally with several yoga teacher trainings that are really fantastic ways to get to know yourself a little better.
What's important for the client to do so they get the most out of a massage?
When you're getting a massage, go in with an intention. See like the session has already happened and feel how good you feel before you even get into it, right? When you're on the table, and perhaps before, express any fears that you might have to the therapist. Let them know. Don't wait for them to ask you the right question.
Because it's an intimate setting, you want to be open with them so you can help them out as much as possible. I get that.
As a receiver, the world goes around on giving and receiving, and so we have to be equally as good as receiving when someone's giving to us. And so when you do have two people sitting in a therapeutic session for massage, you have extra energy for you to utilize. So make the most of it. Go as deep as you can, as quickly as you can. Ways to do that would be breathing. Practice, notice, focus on your breath.
Makes you just want to take a breath.
Yeah.
Just having you say that.
Yeah, it straightens you right up. It brings you into the body. Keeping an affirmation handy.
What is affirmation?
Yes. What is an affirmation?
Well, affirmation is using language to rewire the brain. Oftentimes we have these ideas or judgments that are moving in the background of our thoughts during our entire day, whether it's something that is putting you down or telling you that you're not good enough. These kind of thoughts are not setting us up for optimal success. And so when we become aware of them, we're able to then choose to create a new reality. That's where affirmation comes in. So when you notice that you have this constant repetitive thought, or even your words, instead choose words, choose an affirmation that you can plug in there to rewire your brain.
Lisa, when should I take advantage of getting a massage? And do you feel that massage will get to the source of relieving tension, pain?
Yes, do you have tension and pain?
I have it in my back and shoulders, but I think I could manage it, but...
Yeah, but don't manage it. We are meant to thrive, not just survive.
So take care of it now.
Yes.
Can we do that?
Let's do it.
Right now.
Let's
Right
do it.
now.
The time is now. Let's do it.
Perfect.
Come on upstairs with me.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
Would you like to come also?
I want to see this.
Okay, come
I
on.
want to see the master in action.
When receiving a massage, get out of your head. Let the body do what it does best. It's wired to heal. That's what it does. It heals itself miraculously with no intervention from drugs or anything that we can do. We just need to get out of the way. Sometimes all the body needs to heal is just awareness. And so as my hands are placed, the receiver, you as the client, in your meditation can bring in an affirmation. That affirmation might be, I release and surrender now. And literally visualize stress, however you see it, melting away.
Lisa, earlier you had said that affirmation was the key to a lot of this. And since you already mentioned that you are, Justin brought it to our attention, that you are a global yoga teacher, how do these things connect? Because yoga is now so popular, growing every day. I need to know, and everyone else would like to know, how does the affirmation connect to the yoga practice?
Right. So yoga, and all, it's about quieting the mind. It's about getting into a place where you can resonate in the vibration that you are.
You know what I think's kind of ironic is in today's modern lifestyle, we think we're more in touch than ever before. But actually, I think we're less in touch with ourselves.
Yeah.
And yoga, massage, these are all ways of being able to get more in touch with ourselves, which will give us more peace of mind. So we're not just cluttered all the time with thoughts that are just going to be doing more harm than good.
Yeah.
But I also see that you brought a plant here, and because you're a hydroponic gardener,
That's a gorgeous plant.
Would you mind
Nice
telling us
plant,
what
right?
that is?
It's gorgeous.
That's kale. I grew this on my balcony. It's a hydroponic system, and so there's no soil that we use. Hydroponics is really an ancient practice in Asia, in places of like marshland where they didn't have rich soil to grow vegetables. They would hang them, and that's how hydroponics came. I also brought some tomatoes that I picked.
Aren't they beautiful?
What do you have here? You have a lot here.
Yeah.
I don't mind if I do.
Is that not the best tomato?
Wow.
That's really good. Thank you.
That doesn't even taste like a tomato to me.
They're better than potato chips,
That
right?
tastes like a grape.
Yeah, that's refreshing. There's
That
a lot of flavor.
that tastes like a grape. I don't care for raw tomatoes, and that is probably the best tomato I ever ate
Oh.
in my life. And that tastes like grapes to me.
Beautiful.
Nice job. I must learn this.
Well, thank you very much for joining us. I learned a lot about hydroponic gardening, yoga, massage. Thank you so much for the massage. I had an excellent experience. I'm sure we're going to see a lot more of you. And thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.